This dill pickle smashed chickpea salad is great on sandwiches, in wraps, used as a dip with crackers, or even on its own. It's tangy and dilly and zingy, and makes a great, easy-to-make 10-minute lunch. It's perfect for meal prep too. To make it, you're going to start by adding a can of drained and rinsed chickpeas to a bowl or storage container. Now you're going to take a fork and mash the chickpeas down. You can do whatever feels right to you here. Sometimes I mash 100% of the beans, sometimes I mash only half and leave the others whole for a little bit of variety and texture. Honestly, I kind of like to switch it up and make something just a little bit different depending on how I'm feeling that day, or depending on how tired my hand gets from the mashing. Today I decided to mash everything. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth, just mash them so the beans break apart, but no need to go super hard like you're trying to make a hummus or anything like that. To the smashed beans, you'll add 4 to 5 diced up dill pickle spears. Now you'll add 1 diced up sweet bell pepper, 1 diced up celery stalk, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of the pickle brine from the pickle jar. You can also start out with just 1 tablespoon and add more depending on how zingy you like your dressing. I very much so am a person who prefers their dressing to be tangy and vinegary, so I add the full 2 tablespoons, but you can start with 1 and work up from there. Then you'll add 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and give everything a good stir to combine. I like to season at the end with black pepper, but you can also adjust the mayo, Dijon, or pickle brine too, to suit your tastes. This keeps well in the fridge for several days, so you can use it for lunches for a few days. It makes a great sandwich filling, salad topping, or sometimes, or often, I'll just eat it straight from a mug or bowl on its own. Let me know if you're going to try it, and figuratively, metaphorically, abstractly, let's eat together.